Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, we'll create a new application that uses Android services to play music in the background. Open Android Studio, create a new project, select Empty Views Activity, and I'll name it as Music Player App. Click Finish. I'll copy this background image and paste it in the drawable folder. Make sure that it starts with a small letter and no numbers. And this is my background for the application. Let's move to the main activity and I'll start creating the layout. Background, drawable, back. Remove this text view and I'll create two buttons. The first one to play the music, which is starting the service, and the second button is to stop the service and stop the music playing in turn. Wrap content ID. Infer the constraints, and here we go. Drag and drop it, infer the constraints, and I'll create a new text view just for making a title for this app. And this is our layout for this application. One text view and two buttons. Let's move to the main activity and initialize these widgets. Let's create our services. The first step in creating the service is to create a class, a custom service class. And the custom service class will be created in the same directory where the main activity class resides. And this class will extend the service class. And I'll name it as my custom service. It will extend service class from android.app. The callback methods are used to initiate and destroy the services. So Alt plus Enter to implement the callback methods, which is the onBind method in this case. To play music, the media player object is used. So I'll create an object of media player. Private media player. I'll name it as player. Alt plus Enter to import the media player class. The media player class in Android is used to play audio and video files. It provides a high-level interface to control playback, pause, stop, seek, and manage other aspects of multimedia playback. It supports a variety of audio and video formats and can be used to play media from various sources, including local files, network streams, and more. In the previous lesson, we said that the execution of service will start on calling the onStart command. So onStart command method is implemented. So I can create onCreate method, but here I'll use the onStart command directly. That will start on calling this method. So the execution of the service will start on calling this method. Here is the logic that I need to execute in the background. So on start command, I'll start creating a media player which will play the audio of default ringtone in Android device. So player equal to media player. I'm initializing it, media player dot create. And here I need to pass two parameters, the context for this and the source of the media file that I need to play. Media or settings dot system dot or notification or alarm alert, screen brightness mode, and other things. I need to use the default ringtone URI. Again, I'm creating a media player to play the default ringtone in the device. Then I need to loop the audio. For that, I'll use player.setLooping to true. And in order to start the process of playing, I need to use player.start method. This will start or resumes the playback of the music. And the last thing here, I need to return missing return statement. And what type of return? I need to return a variable of type int. But in this case, I'm not using integer variables. You can use not sticky, sticky compatibility, flag retry, and others. Start sticky returns the status of the program. So the onStart command method of the service is used to handle the incoming start requests. It returns an integer that specifies how the system should handle the service after it has been started. There are several return types you can use, including start sticky. If you return start sticky from onStart command method, it indicates that the service should be restarted if it's terminated by the system after it has been started. The system will recreate the service with a null intent, and you will need to handle reinitialization of any necessary resources. Use this return type if the service performs periodic tasks such as background data synchronization, where you want to ensure that the service resumes operation after being temporarily killed.